Hello, viewers. I am Sunil Kumar. You are watching a lecture series on engineering graphics. The topic of this lecture is projection of solids. This is the third lecture on projection of solids. In this lecture, we will discuss the problems which can be solved in three steps. The statement of first problem is a square prism, edge of base 25 mm and 50 mm long, has its axis inclined at 45 degree to the HP. One of the edges of the base on which the prism rests is inclined at 30 degree to the VP. Draw its projections. It is clear in this statement that the solid is a square prism and the axis is inclined to both HP and VP. So when the axis is inclined to both HP and VP, it cannot be solved in two steps. We have to use the three steps to solve the problem. So this is the solution of the problem. First of all, you should have to assume a square prism is resting on its base on HP and axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So when you assume like this, you have to draw the top view first. This is the top view of a square prism. And then take the projection from the top view towards vertical plane and draw its front view. Axis is perpendicular to HP. But axis should be inclined 45 degree to HP. So in second step, you should have to make an angle 45 degree to HP and tilt this front view in this way. So this is the front view in second step. Take the projection from the front view towards HP to obtain the top view. And take the horizontal line from this square also towards this figure. So this is the top view in second step. And the resting edge is this. This is the resting edge in second step, 31 dash 21 dash. And the resting edge in top view is 2131, which is shown by hidden line. And this resting edge is perpendicular to VP in this figure. But in the statement, it is written that this resting edge should be at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So in third step, draw a line at 30 degree to VP and mark this distance, which is shown here in second step. This is a resting edge. So mark the resting edge on this line and tilt this view in this way. So this is the final top view. Take the projection from each point towards VP. Take the horizontal line from the front view which you have made in second step, and you can obtain the final front view here. So this is the final top view, this is final front view. This is the solution of this problem. The second problem statement is a right circular cone of 40 mm diameter and 60 mm long axis is resting on one of its generators on HP in such a way that top view of the axis makes an angle of 30 degree with the VP and apex towards VP. Draw its projections. In this statement, the solid is circular cone, but it is not resting on its base on HP. It is resting on generator on HP. And axis should be inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So this type of problem can be solved in three steps. In first step, you should have to make the true shape of the base. The true shape of the circular cone is a circle. So you should have to assume the circular cone is resting on its base on HP so that you can draw a true shape of the base in top view. So the solution is this. First of all, draw the true shape of the base on HP. This is the top view. The diameter is 40 mm. Take the projection towards vertical plane and draw the front view. Here it is shown that the axis is perpendicular to HP and the solid is resting on its base on HP. And this is the one of the generator. O dash E dash is one of the generator. So the solid should rest on this resting generator. So in next step, tilt this object in such a way that O dash and E dash should be on XY line. So tilt this object completely to HP. So this is the object in front view. In second step, take the projection from front view towards HP to draw its top view. Take the horizontal line from this circle and take the vertical projection from front view. You can obtain the top view in second step here. But in second step, if you see that the axis is parallel to VP, this is the axis, it is parallel to VP. It should be at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So in third step, make an angle 30 degree and draw the axis on this line. So this axis is inclined at an angle of 30 degree here in third step with VP. And tilt this object here. And keep in mind that apex should be towards VP. This is the apex, O2 is the apex, and it is towards VP. Now take the projection from the top view towards VP and take the horizontal lines from the previous front view, and you can obtain the final front view here like this. So this is the final solution in which the top view and front view are shown here. Okay. For any question or suggestion, you can contact me at my email ID. Thank you.